It's relatively easy to create an audio file of your music through Sibelius. After you've finished writing your music, check to make sure that the sound settings are how you'd like them. Click the Play menu, then click the configuration icon. I'd strongly recommend using Sibelius sounds rather than the general MIDI sounds. By clicking the mixer icon, you can adjust the volume level of each instrument, as well as other sound properties. For example, you can adjust the reverb or the chorus for each instrument. You can also adjust these knobs to control the panning of each instrument, and you can increase the stereophonic effect. I like to consider the instrument's physical seating placement in the orchestra, putting certain instruments to the right or to the left. Remember that there's a click option that you can leave on or you can mute. For playing back, you probably want to mute it. Adjust the sliders so that each instrument is as loud or as soft as you'd like. For some reason, brass instrument sounds are problematic in Sibelius, and they might not work properly. For brass instruments, I've substituted either clarinet sounds or organ sounds. Remember that Sibelius will play your music according to the dynamics that you've written in the music, so be assured that those are included in each instrument part. Also, check your playback tempo. In most cases, you'll want to turn off the live playback and turn off the live tempo options so that you get a steady tempo. Before you export the audio file, listen to the playback to make sure everything sounds the way you want and make any adjustments. Sibelius has some interpretation options that I won't get into here. However, if you're running into problems with the roadmap and repeats, take a look at the settings in repeats. When you're happy with the playback, export the audio file by clicking File, Export, Audio. Note that there'll be an option for playback configuration and omitting muted instruments, where to start the playing back from, the folder and file name options, and then the format, size, and duration options. When you're happy with all that, click Export and let Sibelius do its magic.